Okay, we are going to listen and we are going to tick the correct answer. Here we have two questions. Question number 1, what has he got? Question number 2, what have you got? For question number 1, what has he got? We have 3 possible answers, A, B, and C. And for question number 2, what have you got? We have 3 possible answers, A, B, and C. And here we have question number 3, what has she got? And 3 possible answers, A, B, and C. So we are going to listen to a conversation and we are going to tick the correct answer. Tenemos 3 preguntas. 1, what has he got? 2, what have you got? 3, what has she got? Para cada una de estas 3 preguntas tenemos 3 posibles respuestas. De acuerdo a lo que escuchamos en el diálogo, tenemos que marcar la correcta. Voy a poner para la pregunta 1 el diálogo. Voy a parar después de eso para que ustedes marquen lo correcto y después marco yo la respuesta a ver si coincidimos. ¿Ok? ¿Ready? Good.
Listen and tick. 1. What has he got?
What has he got? Has he got a tent? No, he hasn't. He's got a sleeping bag.
Okay. This is the correct answer. He's got a sleeping bag. Let's go to number 2. What have you got? Listen.
2. What have you got?
What have you got? Have you got sunscreen? No, I haven't. I've got shampoo.
3.
So, what is the correct answer? This is the correct answer. I've got shampoo. Let's go to number 3. What has she got?
What has she got?
What has she got? Has she got a fancy tent? Yes, she has.
This is the correct answer. Has she got a fancy tent? Yes, she has. Si marcaste las mismas respuestas, está perfecto. Si no, escucha de nuevo el video para ver por qué son las respuestas que no marcaste.